Hi folks, this is Chris with Peace of Mind Art and Crafts. And first of all, I want to say that I've had for my February giveaway, I'm going to have to try something else because I can't notify the winner of the first prize. I do have the address for the winner of the second prize, who is Cynthia Howell, and I'm going to send out her second prize from the February giveaway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the comments up on here, and the first person that replies to the comments on here, who also replied to the comments on the February giveaway, which I will check, the first person that entered the February giveaway that replies to the comments on this video will win the first prize. So that's pretty much the only way I can think of to do it. So if you watched that February giveaway and you commented, then comment on this video that that's what you did, and you will win the first prize if you're the first person to reply. So that's how I'm going to handle that. Another thing that I wanted to cover today is a new slow stitch kit that I'm going to have in my Etsy shop. It's called By the Sea, and I'll show you some of the things it comes with. This is just kind of the pile of stuff here, and I will have it in my Etsy shop by the time this video goes up. Here's all the little trinkets and so on that you'll get with the kit. Now each kit will be a little bit different because I'll use up some of these fabrics and so on, and then need to get more. But they'll be everything will be very similar. If you see something in this video and you order this kit By the Sea from my Etsy channel, and you see something that you like, a piece of fabric or a piece of lace or whatever, let me know and I will try to incorporate that into your kit. Okay? So I also have various other kits in my Etsy shop, and some of you may have ordered them. So you might want to take a look at those as well. But this is the new one, By the Sea. So you get a little charm packet and buttons and some beads. You get some thread that matches the colors of the kit. And I'll show you some of these items. You get some laces, a ribbon, and this can be used for you will also get with this kit a conversation heart, just the heart, so that you can make your own, and you can use this ribbon for that. Some more lace. And then you'll get some pieces of fabric that are related to the subject, in this case, the ocean and the seashore. Show you those. This is a selection that you may get some of these. Like I said, if you wish to receive certain ones that you see, please let me know, and I will try my best to give you that with your kit. Some fish, some tulle. There's a little ribbon with bicycles on it. I always think of, you know, when you can go to the beach and rent the bicycles. And of course the 4th of July fabric. Ships, compass fabric. Here is the heart that you will receive with the kit. And the heart and the background are cut from blue cotton. Okay, if for some reason you would rather have the muslin, the off-white muslin as your background, let me know that and I'll change it to that. But for the most part, all the kits will include these ingredients. So I'll try to get one of these made. I will have photographs of these fabrics and laces and stuff on my Etsy channel to show you what the kit includes. but I'll also try to get one finished. You can check out the photographs on some of the other kits that I offer to see what I did with them. And also, I have videos on how to make the kits. How to get a kit and then how to arrange it, and gives you helpful hints on that. So, I'd appreciate it if you're interested in one of my slow stitch kits. If you go to my Etsy shop, that'd be great. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you peace of mind. Take care.